recreating Madhuri Dixit's iconic look from Hum Aapke Hain Kaun. Starting with Huda Beauty Color Corrector in the shade Light Cherry to color correct all my darkened areas under my eyes. Now I'm going to top this off with NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard to cover up the areas I need covering up. You'll notice that I'm also putting concealer on the outer edge of my cheekbone there. It's because I have some dark veins that I like to cover, but if you don't want to use concealer there, then you don't have to either. Using Huda Beauty Baby Bake Powder in the shade Pound Cake to set the concealer as well as the color corrector and prepare my lids for eyeshadow. For this look, I'm going to use the Huda Naughty Nude palette. It's a gorgeous palette and I really haven't used it enough, but I thought that it would be absolutely perfect for this look. I started with the shade Rough just above my crease area, and I was going to apply it all the way up to my brow bone, but I realized it was looking a little bit too pinky orange on me. This was originally going to be my transition shade, but I decided to just keep it just right above my crease, and I decided to use the shade Hypnotic as my transition shade. So I kind of applied it backwards a little bit, and I used Hypnotic all the way up to my brow bone, making sure to blend it all well. Next, I took this beautiful shimmery shade called Flower Power and applied it with my fingers to both of my lids. I wanted something a little bit more glittery, so I topped it off with the shade Tantric on both my lids. I felt that this look needed a little bit of spice, so I took the shade Spicy and applied it for a little bit of depth just above where my crease is. Went back in with the shade Rough and used it kind of as an underline, just to kind of provide a little bit more dimension and depth to my under eye area. Lining my eyes with L'Oreal pencil liner in the shade Black. This is a gorgeous liner. It applies so well and it stays forever. And I took a flat angled brush and smudged out the edges of the pencil a little bit. Using my favorite liquid liner, NYX Epic Ink Liner in the shade Black to create a wing. Now taking my Armani mascara and using that to prepare my lashes for the falsies that I will be applying off of camera. You can use any mascara though. The eyelashes I like to use are from Ioni Cosmetics. Time for foundation. I am using Huda Beauty Easy Blur Foundation in the shade Custard, followed by Rare Beauty Contour in the shade Solace, and now I'm topping it off with Huda Beauty Liquid Blush in the shade Strawberry Cream. This is such a beautiful rosy color and it blends so well. For lipstick, I'm using Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Pathfinder. I wanted to add a little bit of depth and dimension to my lips, so I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Intense Lip Intense lip liner. And then I topped it off with this beautiful, beautiful shimmery, glittery, hard candy gloss in the shade Pink Sapphire. And some Dior Backstage highlighter. So here is my final look. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember to stay tuned for more content like this.